Hi everyone. So this is a quick little tutorial on how to use Runable. So today, we are going to see how we can create amazing presentations with the help of Runable and by just a few prompts. So let's see how we can do this. On Runable, you can see this page. And we have multiple things like website creation, reports, podcasts, and many other features. But today, we will just see how to create AI slides. So you can click on this. And now you can see on the right-hand side, we have multiple inspirations. This helps create a well-defined presentation, so it's advised to use these inspirations to create interactive and amazing presentations. On Runable, you can create a total of 4 types of presentations. The first way to create a presentation is by uploading a PDF and telling how you want the presentation to be created. Now, I will just upload this PDF, so I will go here, select from local file, and try to find the Stranger Things PDF. And now I will just give a simple prompt to create a modern and creative presentation from this PDF file. Now, Runable is thinking and doing its processes from A to Z. Everything is handled with AI. I just uploaded a single PDF and gave a simple prompt. Now, Runable will see what is in the content of the presentation. As you can see, it's already written here that it's reading and analyzing the PDF. Then it's running a few commands, and obviously it's going to generate some pictures like you can see here from searching. Now it will search on Google for all the images. If it feels that images need to be generated, then it will use AI and generate amazing images. So this is how Runable actually performs every single step to ensure that the presentation is generated exactly how you want it. So we can see that it has written all the content here, and we can see that it will generate the presentation using the presentation outline. So AI is doing everything for you. You just have to sit back, relax, and watch Runable run for you. And you can see this. With just a single and simple PDF with literally 1 line of prompt, Runable created an 8-slide creative presentation. So now let's see another way of creating a presentation. The next one is by pasting a link and creating a presentation with that. So let's just say I want to see the strongest Pokemon in the Pokemon universe. Now we can see there are multiple options. Let's just see this link. What I will do now is just copy this link, go back, and ask Runable to create a stunning Pokemon presentation. So let's just say, the strongest Pokemon presentation in the Pokemon universe using this link. I will paste this link and ask it to create a presentation. Now, what will happen is Runable will get all the data from the website. See how it can create a stunning presentation. It's just like hiring a personal developer or personal designer who can help you with everything from start to finish. Now you can see it's scraping the data from the link we gave, searching for more data where it feels necessary, and sending requests. We can already see some images being generated in high quality. Just see, guys. We have an amazing presentation created already. As mentioned, it created a stunning presentation. Now let's see another way with which you can create presentation slides. Okay, so now I have a brief outline for the next presentation we are going to build. I like everything mentioned here. Now, whenever you are going to create something, you can see everything I've mentioned, how the title should be, what the title should be, what kind of image there should be, and every single thing. Now let's see what Runable will create. And guys, you can see it has created 14 slides, and this is really amazing. And also, we have the option to edit anything we feel like. So you can see here that we have a button to edit. I will just click on this, and let's say I don't like this picture. So let's try to change this picture. I will click on this, click on Replace Image. We have the option to search, upload, or generate. Now you click Generate Image. In just a few seconds, it generated a picture, but I think I have a better picture which I want to upload. So I click on Upload Image, Browse File, and select this image. And yes, this is looking great. Now I think it's looking good. Everything is saved automatically. We also have the option to click Open Slideshow and see the presentation. We can click Present to present the website. Now let's just say I want to export this presentation. I will click Export. We have PPT, PDF, and Google Slides. Let's say I want a PDF. And guys, we have a PDF downloaded. Now guys, the last way, which is the most used and quickest way. I will quickly go to AI slides and use this inspiration. Now I will just write here a simple prompt. This is a very simple prompt to generate this itinerary across the Alps in Europe. I have mentioned key cities, must-visit spots, and everything. Now this will create an aesthetic-looking presentation. And Runable again starts researching the information, searching Google, getting accurate data, scraping everything needed. And we can see it created a very simple yet aesthetic presentation. So this is how we can create presentations on Runable. And this is all for today, guys. I hope you got a better understanding of all that can be done with Runable. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one with another tutorial. Bye!